This is the steering damper you can get from AliExpress. It seems to be exactly the same as the K-Wheels brand. Everything looks exactly the same. The only problem that I found with it is right here where the C-clamp attaches, and I'm going to try to fix that. And what happens is if you have a lot of dampening up there, or these get loose, or you hit big bumps, when the wheel turns, it moves that C-clamp because it's not tight enough up against the stem, and it just pivots on the two screws. And those screws are tight. Here's another look at it. So we just need to fill in something between here and here so it can't fall down like that. And then once these are tightened and pinched, it'll help it even more. All right, center punch. Got my hole, it's in the vise. All right, got it installed. I got these two snugged up, and now we'll just snug that down. Just tight enough so it won't come out. And there's not going to be any more of that moving. Alright, I have the thing turned way up more than I normally would, and there is none of that up and down movement. Beautiful.